Este proyecto empezó como una iniciativa de Alianza y Scissortail para crear y diseñar una nueva institución financiera. Esta nueva institución financiera queríamos que fuera diseñada por la comunidad latina, que fuera diseñada por personas que viven y trabajan dentro de la comunidad, que conocen sus propias necesidades, que saben qué es lo que necesitamos, qué tipo de productos, qué tipo de servicios, qué tipo, incluso hasta de colores, son necesarios de ver en una institución financiera.
Our Hispanic community in Oklahoma has grown to a size where we are able and where we need to be able to start working together to solve our problems. One of the big things that we now have the capability of doing is building our own institutions. These things are extremely important because we know what's best for us. Gone are the days where we are waiting for other people to come into our community and solve problems for us. Now we have the ability to do things for ourselves.
Creo que todos vemos esas necesidades que habían, que hay, que sigue habiendo, pero no sabíamos qué hacer, porque yo sola no lo puedo hacer, ¿verdad? Tú solo no lo puedes hacer. Entonces, el unirnos todos y, como dices, como poner en papel, ok, esas son las necesidades que estamos teniendo, ok, identificarlas, pero ahora, ¿qué plan de acción vamos a tener para cubrir esas necesidades? Me pareció magnífico, la verdad es que muy contenta y agradecida por la invitación para ser parte de este grupo.
There's people in our community that still hide their money under their mattresses, under their pillows, you know, inside a wall. They put drywall on it to protect it. And I see Alianza as a community resource, a community place where they can come in and feel safe. They know that they're not going to be ridiculed because they don't know how to bank. They're not going to be ridiculed because they don't know how to buy a house. They're not going to be ridiculed because they don't know how to receive a loan, how to do things the legal way. They're not going to be ridiculed for that.
El proceso empezó a partir de un modelo llamado organización comunitaria, que tiene 6 diferentes pasos. Empieza con identificar a los líderes, con desarrollar a esos líderes y después identificar las necesidades. Al identificar las necesidades podemos buscar respuestas o buscar soluciones para esas necesidades y al mismo tiempo tomar acción y generar el cambio, que es lo que queremos a través de este proyecto.
And then to sit down and to hear the voices, to hear everybody else also with being concerned with our community and the lack of resources and also the issues and the problems within our community. It was like a drink of fresh water in the middle of the desert. Seeing that how people were also interested in helping others, you know, and most of all, people were there without an agenda. Like, how can I profit from this? Hearing these voices that they were there totally sincere and without a desire to profit from any of this, but to really help the community. That's what got me to say no to other things and to really focus on Centuriones and to really focus on the project of Alianza and to help our community.
The best way for us to go about this work is for us to build relationships, is for us to really, as a community, come together, start getting organized, build relationships with each other, because by building those relationships, we can hold each other accountable. And then we can really have those conversations, start asking those critical questions about what we do about the issues facing our community, and then start acting on those conversations. Because as we organize and as we build power, we are building our ability to act collectively.
Creo que muchas veces no planeamos porque pensamos que nos vamos a regresar a nuestros países también, pero ya que estamos establecidos, muchas veces no sabemos a dónde tenemos que ir o con quién tenemos que hablar. Y pensamos que algunas cosas o programas o servicios no son para nosotros, ¿verdad? Tanto por nuestra cuestión de inmigratoria como nuestra educación, y realmente deberíamos de tomar beneficio de todos esos servicios.
Una de las preguntas que yo recuerdo que hicimos al principio con este proceso fue, en un mundo ideal, ¿cómo sería esta comunidad?
We can come together work together, be stronger together, work within our community together, and grow stronger. And to have that vision, that for many we are one, it's pretty awesome. And we have the opportunity to really make a positive impact in this state, in this city, in our local communities.
Alianza is a promise. Alianza is a promise that we are making to ourselves and to our community that we can give our community and the people who need access the kind of assistance that they need to make sure that they have the tools that are available to every other community. For a long time, many tools have not been available to us. Things that we need are not accessible to us. So really that's the brand promise of Alianza, is that we will work together in order to make sure that we have access to every tool, every possible opportunity to succeed, to be able to build wealth for our families, to be able to protect the resources that we build for our families, and the things that we work hard for.
Well, the way I see Alianza is the door, the arches, the way for people to receive financial resources. Big doors, big doors, big arches that when you open them, they just lead to places that are amazing. And so to have that as a symbol for Alianza, it's pretty awesome, because once you go through that door, man, those opportunities are, you can say those opportunities are endless. And it's pretty awesome to be part of this and give an opportunity to our community to be able to take advantage of the resources that are going to be available.